Today, we will learn about politics and the role of politicians in a simple and neutral way. Politics is the system people use to make decisions for a country, state, or community. Politics helps decide laws, public services, and how resources are shared.
People choose leaders to represent them and manage these responsibilities.
These leaders are called politicians.
Politicians work in governments to create rules and solve public problems.
Politicians work in governments to create rules and solve public problems. Some politicians lead cities, some lead states, and some lead entire countries.
A chief minister or governor manages a state or region.
Their job is to improve education, healthcare, and public safety. They work with teams and departments to make decisions.
A politician is a person who works in government to represent people and make public decisions.
Politicians may work in local councils, state governments, or national governments.
Their main goal should be to improve public life through better services and better rules.
For example, they help make decisions about education budgets, healthcare plans, and public safety.
A chief minister or governor is a senior leader responsible for managing a state or region.
They coordinate different departments like education, health, transport, and law enforcement.
First, they don't work alone. Policies are usually developed with experts and government teams.
Good leadership focuses on solving real problems, improving schools, reducing crime, and upgrading services.
In a healthy system, leaders are accountable, and decisions are checked by laws and institutions.
That's why understanding politics helps people make smarter choices and ask better questions.
Politics also teaches us how leaders are chosen and how governments are formed.
In many places, citizens vote to select representatives who speak on their behalf.
These representatives discuss public issues and work on solutions through laws and policies.
Laws help maintain order and ensure fairness in society.
A good political system listens to people's needs and works to improve daily life.
This includes better schools, stronger healthcare, and safer communities.
Understanding politics helps people become informed citizens and participate wisely.
When people understand how leadership works, they can make better decisions for the future.
That was a simple introduction to politics and the role of politicians. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to SA Education for more helpful learning videos.